Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your GMC Terrain with the remote. First, make sure all doors are closed and locked. Then, locate the remote start button on your key fob, which often looks like a circular arrow. Press and hold this button for at least 4 seconds. The parking lamps will flash, and the engine will start. Your Terrain will run for approximately 10 minutes, allowing the cabin to warm up or cool down before you even step inside. It's a convenient feature for any weather. Want a bit more time for your Terrain to get comfortable? You can extend the remote start duration. While the engine is already running from the first remote start, simply repeat the same process. Press and hold the remote start button again for at least 4 seconds. This adds another 10 minutes, giving you a total of 20 minutes of engine run time. Remember, you can perform this extension only once, for a maximum of 2 remote starts, before needing to manually start the vehicle. Sometimes plans change, and you might need to cancel the remote start. It's simple to do. Just press and hold the remote start button on your key fob for at least 4 seconds, similar to how you initiated it. The parking lamps will turn off, and the engine will shut down. Alternatively, if you're already near your vehicle, inserting the key into the ignition and turning it to the on position will also cancel the remote start function. This gives you flexibility and control. Before we wrap up, here are a few important tips for using your GMC Terrain's remote start. The effective range for your key fob is usually around 200 feet, so keep that in mind. Also, for safety and proper operation, ensure your fuel tank is not critically low. The system might not engage if it detects insufficient fuel. Finally, always make sure the hood is completely closed and latched, as an open hood will prevent remote start from activating. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.